to tie the timber hitch. So just wrap your rope on your anchor point and make a loop like so. Then on your working end, this line, wrap this on itself like so, making at least 3 to 4 wraps. Then cinch that down. Okay, so as easy as that, you have created a timber hitch. As long as there is weight or tension on this line, these 3 or 4 wraps right here will lock in on itself. Okay, and if you start to lose tension, this line will also undo itself.